Welcome to a mental and emotional wellness moment sponsored by the Ottawa Substance Abuse Prevention Coalition. This video will help you gain a new perspective on the connection between our mental health and nature. Just being outside in any kind of nature can help improve your mental health. First, go outside. It can be just outside your front door, or at a park, or a beach, or a forest. Stand still for a moment. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And slowly release it. Do this again. What did you smell? Flowers? Trees? Freshly cut grass? Anything else? Bad smells count too. Now, listen to the sounds all around you. What can you hear? The birds? Cars on a nearby road? The trees rustling in the wind? Keep your eyes closed. What can you feel on your skin? Rain? Snow? The sun on your face? Wind? Is it hot? Cold? In between? How is your skin feeling now? Open your eyes and look all around you. What can you see? Flowers? Trees? Logs? Insects? Animals? Are you all alone? Or are there people nearby? Take a moment and just be still. Let your thoughts wander wherever they might want to go as you take in one more deep breath. You can stay here for as long as you want to or are able to. How are you feeling now? Thank you for taking this mental and emotional wellness moment with us. If you are ever having a mental health emergency, please seek help right away or dial 911.
If you are ever experiencing a mental health crisis, please call the Ottawa County Community Mental Health Access Line at 866-512-4357.
We hope this video helped you practice a skill that will build your resilience and support your overall well-being.
The Ottawa Substance Abuse Prevention Coalition's mission is to work together to prevent substance use disorders among youth, families, and community members in Ottawa County. We've cultivated a list of our favorite mental wellness resources. For those resources and more information, go to arborcircle.org/OSAP.